All right, welcome back, boys and girls. We're going to do a little writing. And as you know, we've been working on report writing. And this week we are focused on a KWL organization chart. It helps us to organize our thoughts on the different things that we might write about, our topic. So the K for KWL is what I know, what you already know about a topic. W is what I want to know, things that you want to know about. And then L is what I learned, okay? Because then after you do your research, you'll learn some things. And so what is it that you learned? All right, and then that helps you on this paper. We just see that my report is about bread because first story we read was about bread. So there are many kinds of bread. You mix ingredients to make bread. This is what I already knew before I did any research. What I want to know is what kinds of bread do people eat in different parts of the world? So I have to do some research to find out, well, what kind of bread do people eat in the different parts of the world? And what I learned was in Mexico, they eat tortillas. In India, they eat paratha. And in Greece, they eat pita. So now I'm just writing my sentences out just so I can have my thoughts. People eat bread in different countries. They eat tortillas in Mexico. They eat paratha in India. They eat pita in Greece. So now on my rough draft, this is a draft means it's not my final copy, so it doesn't have to be perfect. I'm going to start writing my report. People eat bread in different countries. Period. All right, and then I'm going to write they eat tortillas in Mexico. They eat paratha in India. And I purposely spelled eat wrong here because I just wanted to show you that on a rough draft, you don't have to erase. You could just scratch out and make it right. Because again, you're going to write your final copy, and that's when you make all your changes. And they eat pita in Greece. All right, so that's the beginning of my report. I've written the information I found out. Basically, I wrote what I wanted to know, and then I wrote the information I found out. And that is the beginning of my report. And again, when you write a rough draft, you don't have to worry about writing everything neat and perfect because you're going to rewrite it again. And if you make a mistake, you don't have to worry about erasing. You can just scratch it out. Because again, when you write your final draft, you will then make all your corrections. So today, in your book, in your journeys book on page 63, yesterday you chose a topic, and you should have wrote on page 62 your KWL chart, the different information. Hopefully you were able to do some research and you wrote that information in. So today you're going to just start writing out your report. You should have about 4 sentences writing out what it is you wanted to know, and then the 3 things you might have found out about your topic, which is different from my topic. All right, so that's all there is today. Writing is easy this week so far. We're just filling in our journeys page, and we're on page 63 today. And you can go ahead and submit that to me. I'll take a look at what you've written so far. All right, boys and girls, happy writing.